Hi guys, this is Divanshu from Team Scrapingdog, and in this video we will show you how you can build a basic Google AI mode tracker using Lovable and Google AI mode API from Scrapingdog. So what you need is an account to both, and you have free credits to test them both out, and you can build a tool like this. Or I have shared the public link to use this tool, wherein you have to just put in your API key over here, the domain for which you are tracking, country and query, and you can simply start tracking. You can sign up for Scrapingdog from Scrapingdog's website, and you can get 1000 free credits to test this API. This is one of the tool we will be using to build that workflow. The other tool is Lovable. So in the Lovable, when you sign up, you have to give a prompt to it, and I'll get that prompt for you in the description section of my video if you're watching this on YouTube, and I'll also link to the blog which I have written on the Medium. So this prompt allows you to create a basic web app like this, where you have to enter your API key, the domain for which you are tracking, countries and queries. And for the sake of this tool, I have kept the tool limited to 10 queries at once. You can use the same prompt and edit it with using ChatGPT and create it for any number you want, and then you can use this tool as is from there on. Okay, now let's test this tool. You need your Scrapingdog's API key. Again, you can get it from Scrapingdog's dashboard. I'll copy paste it here and fill in all the details and then start tracking. After clicking start tracking, you get these results. You can see what data points you get. You can get this data point in your CSV file also from here. And like this tool, you can create any tool for your specific use case. And if anywhere in your workflow you need Google AI mode scraper API, you can use Scrapingdog's API. We do have multiple Google APIs, and you get 1000 free credits to test. So sign up today if you haven't. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.